And good afternoon to you. Doug the Builder here. Actually today, fix this mop. Doug the Auto Mechanic. So anyway, let me give you the situation. You can hear the car running in the background. Was getting a warning, a sensor clean warning error on the 2015 ES300H, and decided to take it into the shop and have them tell me what sensor was bad, because I figured I would be able to fix it cheaper than trying to diagnose it myself. So I did pay for the hookup and the diagnostic to tell me which sensor was bad, and the sensor that was bad, I was told, was the front left sensor. Let me give you an idea of what it looks like. So this is the front left sensor. Now I am gonna have to make one change, because on this sensor you can see that it's got a black ring around it. I've gone ahead and I have replaced this sensor, and they told me it would be $954 to replace it. Wow, for 10 minutes of work, $954. Thanks a lot, Lexus, but here's how it's done. Let me flip this around and show you if I can figure out where to flip it. Right here. So I turned the wheel, front left wheel, all the way in, and there is one screw, and it's not really even a screw, it's just a clip. But you hit this clip and turn it, and when you do that, you can actually pull the wheel well out. So back in behind here, let me flip the light on if I can. There is a light. You can actually see inside the car, and you can see there's the sensor. Down below, right in this area, I'm gonna use my screwdriver to kind of point it out. Right in here is the fog lamp, and then up higher, right here, is the sensor. There's two clips on either side. You can work your arm into it. You pull these two clips. Let me show you what they look like. So this is the view you were looking at as it was inside the car. There's a clip here on the top and a clip on the bottom. You can see right here as I do it. When you push these, it'll release it off the mounting points. Then when it comes down, you've got a clip that then goes on to this tip, and it's just a push at the top of it and it'll release. Now the cool thing about this is you can see that the ring around it is black. There's the black center, and I'm assuming the problem is caused by, can you see the little tiny chip right up there on the top of the sensor? I'm assuming that that is what's causing the sensor to go bad, or to act like something is wrong, because I don't see that particular chip on any of the other sensors, and they told me it was the front left one. So I went ahead and stuck the new one in, which you can see the new one has a transparent or white ring around it. And right now, I'm gonna have to test it and see if it works. But what was gonna cost $954 to take this out, which, as you can see, now let me clarify, either the front left, far left, or the front far right, you would be able to do accessing it this way through the wheel well, as I've been able to show you right here. As you can see it inside right there. You see the white part of it, and then of course down lower, that right there is the fog light. But literally reach your arm in, unclip it, and you can replace the sensors that easy. So now all I have to do is test and see if it works, and then I need to try and find out if I can actually, that sensor right there was 12 bucks on Amazon. Probably with the black, I'm gonna have to pay a little bit more than $12, but I'm not sure. We'll find out. Anyway, that's another edition of Doug the Auto Mechanic. If I can get it back around. Doug the Auto Mechanic here from 1404 in Flower Mound, working with the 2015 ES300H Lexus. And just to show you that I save $1,000 for 10 minutes of work. It's not how much you spend, it's how much you save. Another good lesson from Doug the Auto Mechanic. Talk to you soon.